What's going on, guys? So today I'll show you how to make a music playlist on YouTube. Now, I've seen many tutorials of how to organize your videos into playlists on your channel, but in regards to making a playlist for music, I haven't seen many. So I'll just show you guys how to do that real quick. So what you want to do is you want to go up to the search bar here and start typing whatever music you want to add to your playlist. So personally, I like a little bit of G-Eazy. So I'm going to search G-Eazy, bin on, I want this song in my playlist. So right here, the video that I want appears, and I'm going to click right here and go save to playlist. Now I have my playlist here for the videos on my channel that are public, but I want to make my own private music playlist. So I'm going to do create new playlist, enter playlist name music, and set the privacy to private because this one is only for me, right? So I'm going to click create, and now I have my own music playlist on the left here. So you can keep going. I'll do some Logic. I like Logic as well. Sure, let's add this one. It's an OG song. Save to playlist, and now music appears here, so I can just click check, and on the bottom left here, add it to music. So that's all you have to do. Another way to do this is you can click on the video itself. I'm just gonna pause it before it plays. Okay, and you can click save right here, and also click music. And in the bottom left, it'll show you added to music. I'll add one more song. Sure, I'll add Dax. You know what? Hobson and Dax. Why not? Okay, save to playlist, music. Perfect. Okay, so say I want to listen to this playlist now. I click the top 3 bars right there. This menu will open up, and I'm going to click music right here next to the other playlists I've created. And I'm just going to click play all. And boom, now the music that I want plays in the order I want it. If you want to reorder the songs, you can just drag them as you wish. You just got to hold on the left part of the song right here next to these 2 bars and just drag. So say I want this guy to play first. Say I want him to play first, I drag him to the top, move him to the top. And if I want to delete a song, I'll just click the trash can icon to the right here. And if I want this to shuffle, I can click shuffle right here. And if I want it to loop, I will click loop, and it'll just keep looping through the whole playlist. So hopefully you guys found this quick little tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you like what you see on my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.